Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of an S-Code Coupe, guys. That's right, 390 under the hood from the factory. This car is amazing. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of it, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're going to pop the hood, take a look at that 390. We're going to look at that black interior. We're going to look inside the trunk. We'll show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your S-Code investment. So come on up and we're going to fire it up now. Check this beauty out, man. She's been treated to a beautiful red paint job. I just got to show you this. 390 with air conditioning, guys. We'll take a lot closer look at it in a minute here, but it is beautiful. And Henry Ford put this baby in there. S-Code Coupe. When you look down the side, she's straight as an arrow. It's got the style steel wheels on it, the rocker moldings, the GTA emblem on the side. All the stainless is in beautiful shape. Door handle looks like it's new. Door opens up smooth as silk, and look at this. Beautiful here, and there's where that S-Code is right there. The interior is in beautiful shape. Take a look at all the chrome on the dash. That original steering wheel, man, that brings back memories right there. And look at that center console. The upholstery on the seats is in beautiful shape. The seat backs are in beautiful shape. I do see one little crack right here that looks like it was repaired. Back seats in beautiful shape. Look at that console on the headliner there going all the way to the back. Isn't that sweet? And the dash pad itself, beautiful. Now let's grab the keys so we can look inside the trunk. Quarter panel straight as can be, paint as smooth as can be. Got the GT gas fill there. Chrome looks good. Chrome on the trim there looks good. Get inside the trunk here. Look at that. We've got a car cover in there. Back sides of the quarters look like they're original. The wheel wells look good. Floor looks great. Just an amazing car here. Always take a look at all the gutters. The rubber looks like it was replaced. The lips on the deck lid feel good. And when you look down the side, look how nice and straight that bodywork is. It's beautiful, guys. Pop open the door here. It doesn't look like that door handle's working right now. I'll make sure the guys take care of that before we ship this beauty to your drive. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. So that means we've spent the time to check it out. I'm personally involved in buying every one of these cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 years of experience in picking out your dream car. Now let's go outside and drive this baby. All right, let's take our Mustang 390 Coupe for a ride. This thing is sweet, guys. I tell you, it reminds me of my 67 Cougar. Of course, I had a 289 in that. I'd have killed myself if I'd had a 390. I got in plenty of trouble with that 289. This dude is making power. This car is amazing. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this little coupe anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you want some help with financing, we got you covered there too. Tom will hook you up with the banker, and it'll be about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream will be in your drive. And listen to that exhaust, man. It sounds tough, but it's not so loud that it's going to get you in trouble with the law. It's driving nice and straight, no hands on the wheel, going straight down the road. I mean, the brakes feel good. All the chrome on the dash is beautiful. The speedo's working here. All the gauges are working. It looks like it's got an aftermarket water temperature and oil pressure gauge all fit right into the stock location. Just everything about the car is amazing. I tell you, you can make this your daily driver. It's that comfortable, guys. The throttle response feels good. The brakes feel great. Now, we're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. If you'd like to fly in and check out this car, no problem whatsoever. Just give Tom a call. We'd love to have you. We sell about 90% of our cars sight unseen, so we love to have visitors, love to come out. I would spend all morning with a couple of guys. These guys drove all night from Kansas to come up here and check out our inventory. Now I'm driving with no hands here. She's going straight down the road. Now we're here on Saturdays too, so if you want to come out on a Saturday, just call Tom, let him know you're coming. Now the mechanics, they'll go through all the major electrical on the car. They'll make sure all the lights, the brake lights, the turn signals, all that stuff is working properly before we park this Dream in your drive. And they always take apart the brakes and check all those out. Now, Tom can answer any questions you have about the car. If you want some additional pictures of any spots that you want to see real close, call Tom and talk to him. Now, we're going to do something right now that you don't see anybody else in the industry doing. We're going to get this car up on the lift, and we're going to check out the underside, then we'll pop the hood and take a look at that 390. All right, underneath this 67 now, she's beautiful under here too. You can see the gas tank's been restored, the exhaust is fairly new, drop downs are solid as a rock, bottom of the quarter looks good, frame is nice and solid. You always want to look at the frame back here by the shackles on these cars. We got right around the 390 gear in this rear end. Looks stock appearing mufflers on this thing. And again, this is another picky area on the frame you want to look at on every one of these Mustangs. You also want to look at this pinch weld here where that inner wheelhouse goes to the floorboard and the trunk. Of course, you got to look at the pinch weld here on the bottom of the rocker. It looks good. Floorboards also look like they're original to the car. Now the fuel line running front to back looks like it was replaced at one time. The brake line looks like it's original but in great shape up here in the tunnel. We got a C6 here. This is not the original C6, but she's very close to the right year. Torque box on a 67 just on the driver's side, and it looks original. All the pinch weld here on the passenger side looks good. All the steering gear's in good shape. It's got original disc brakes up front. And of course, the guys will check the brakes all out. They'll pull apart the back drum brakes and make sure all the wheel cylinder, all the springs are mounted up there correctly. And this is what everybody's looking for right here, 390 up front. Looks like the bushings up front here and the radius arms have been replaced. Just a beautiful, solid car here, guys. She is gorgeous. This car was very well kept since 1967. Just an amazing specimen here. Let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some great looking style steel rims, 205 7014s up front. The lips on the front fender looks good. Always check in here. This is where these babies rotted out first. And I tell you what, all I feel is nice smooth metal back there. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, we got a little bit more rubber on the road. We got 245 6014s, style steel rims again. And again, check these lips where that inner wheelhouse goes to the quarter. That feels perfect. And look at the bottom of the rockers. Bottom side of that rocker looks like it's original, man, and she's beautiful. That pinch weld looks good. Again, look at that frame. Look at these spring pockets. They all look great. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood of this car, we've got it's a late 67 block, so it very well possibly could be the correct motor, but more than likely this is a replacement motor, but it was built, or it was at least cast in 67 for sure. Everything under here looks factory original. Now you can see there's two wires coming out of the distributor. That tells me that it's been upgraded to an electronic pickup in there, probably Petronics. Aftermarket AC pump, Firewall's nice and clean. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. Shock towers are nice and solid. We got the extra brace here. The shock tower brace has been chromed up. Radiator looks like it's been replaced. Paint on the bottom side of the hood looks good. Turn signals in the hood look like they're hooked up. This is an amazing car, guys. She's a coupe, she's an S-Code. It's still got the 390 in it. What an amazing ride. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.